What's going on, friends and family? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, I'm going to be showing you one of the lowest price single family homes here in McKinney, Texas. This is going to be COLLIN County. This one's going to go for $261,000. $261 is the lowest price that we have seen here in today's market. So to start off, we're going to start off in the exterior. This is going to be the street view. Right now, that other section, it's pretty much under construction. You guys might hear some construction on the background. I want to show you guys this one. This one's going to be the one that we're going to be looking at. It's going to be a 3-bed, 2-bath. It's about 1,400 square feet. And as you guys can see, these are homes that are pretty much on 40-foot wide. A 40-foot product, so it's going to be 40-foot wide. They are going to be new construction homes. So new construction means everything's new, means you have some good warranties. Everything is included, such as your appliances as well. You're going to have this nice covered front patio here. All right, let's go inside. So this is going to be a nice little keypad here. And also you're gonna have a nice fancy doorbell. All right, so I want to show you guys this beautiful door. It's gonna have some glass in there. Keep in mind, you guys, this is about 1,400 square feet. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath. Here we're gonna have small closet. This one, it's really what I will say a perfect starter home for anyone that's just looking to buy something, later move in a couple years, and then put this one as a rental. Now, you guys, whenever we come in here, you might see some trash around. This is not a fully finished product. It's still under construction. It's about to be finished here in a couple more weeks. This one, these are usually sold before they hit the market. That's why they're not clean or literally, that's why they're not clean. So this, you guys, this is gonna be pretty much the kitchen with the big island. Usually this island would be designed as your living space, as your dining room as well, because that side would be your living area. So this would be a nice kitchen hybrid with the island, making the island full dining. You guys let me know what you guys think about that. Let me know if you guys like it here in the comments. So this is going to be the nice sink. As I mentioned, you guys, so usually what comes with the purchase of a regular home, which means a regular pre-existing home, is the stove, microwave, and the dishwasher. Here with new construction homes, not all the builders, but this builder in specific is given the fridge, which is a nice stainless fridge, and also they're given the washer and dryer. As you guys can see, this is the laundry room. Nice washer and dryer, which in my opinion, I'll take them. These usually have a cost of around $1,600. Same thing with the fridge. That's an additional $3,000 that you guys wouldn't have to spend. Nice bathroom. This would be the first bathroom for guests. All right, so on this side, we're gonna have 2 rooms and the garage. These rooms, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, these are gonna be the most standard size rooms. They're about 11 by 10, 11 by 11. But for 1,400 square feet, you guys, they wanna make the best use of the square footage. So this is another bedroom. It's about the same size. So you have a nice window there. And as well, the closets are gonna be about the same. All right, so let's take a look at the garage. So after this, we're gonna take a look at the primary bedroom and the yard. So this would be the garage. Nice spacious garage. It's gonna be perfect for a two-car garage. That right there, my friends, that's gonna be the tankless water heater. And that right there, for this price point, you're also gonna get a nice sprinkler system by Rainbird. And it's also gonna have a sensor outside to detect any water, any freezing temperatures, to immediately send a signal to this little device to turn this one off. Which if it's raining, it would automatically detect the rain and pretty much shut the system off to save you some water and to save your yard from being overwatered. So here, as we saw this side already, this is gonna be the living room area. This living room is gonna be pretty nice since this space is gonna be mainly used as the dining. So you guys can see some nice windows there. All right, this is gonna be the primary bedroom. This one's also gonna be a really good size. This one's not small at all. Now, the cool thing about this, you guys, besides the home, besides the price points, it's also the builder's incentives. Right now, many builders are offering really good incentives to stay competitive in today's buyer's market. Why? Because the rates are high, and which means if the rates are high, payments are high. But builders, what they're doing, they're basically buying down the rate. And right now, my clients actually closed today with the same builder. They were able to get a 4.99% interest rate, discount on the price of the home, plus $10,000 for closing costs, which if we put it for this home, basically your monthly payment could be around $2,000, assuming that you're a first-time buyer and that you could get a FHA loan, and the builder is doing a 4.99 for FHA, and closing costs on something like this would be around $12,000. So if the builder pays for 10, you only have to come out of pocket little to none on closing costs. So in this scenario, it would only be $2,000. So $2,000 plus the down payment, your overall out of pocket for something like this could be around $14,000 out of pocket. $14,000 to $12,000 out of pocket. Depends on the loan, but this is just assuming that this is a FHA loan, which means basically for first-time buyers. And you guys, I want to show you guys. This one is not a bad size. It's a spacious backyard. For $261,000, you guys. I don't think it gets any better than this. I looked all over Zillow, all over Realtor.com. This one has to be the lowest priced home in this area. If y'all are interested, feel free to book a call. The link, using the link in my bio. And again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching.